Hey guys, it's Christina, and today we are going to be flipping this balcony deck from this into something so much more luxury to hang out in. If you want to see how I did this, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Let's get into it. Our first step is to clean your deck, and I'm doing this by power washing mine. Now before you start power washing your deck, you want to make sure you're taking all the safety precautions that you can. So remember to put on those safety goggles and make sure you're wearing your sneakers. Some tools you'll need are a large roller, small roller brush, stencil brush, and of course your stencil. Now it's time to paint. I'm painting my deck a cool gray color, and I'm beginning with starting to get those hard to reach areas with my smaller brush. Remember that you always want to work in sections while painting a deck, and especially you want to make sure that you do not paint yourself into a corner. So make sure you always have a path that you are able to get to your door. Using a brush while rolling can just really smooth the paint into the cracks that it couldn't reach. Make sure to always work in sections to assure that you are not stepping on any wet paint. Once you're all set up, I began taping down my stencil and started applying my paint to my stencil. Since this design needs to withstand the weather, I made sure to choose exterior paint for both my deck and my pattern. The reveal is always such an amazing thing for the first stencil, and I just wanted to make sure that I was using light circular motions while applying my paint to avoid bleed through. This pattern is actually inspired by Saint Anthony's Basilica because of all of its ornate detail. Being able to recreate that serene feeling the moment you walk into a basilica in your own home is such an amazing thing. I think this deck turned out into a whole getaway. I'm so happy with how it turned out, and the pattern really transformed this area. If you want to see some more transformations like this one, make sure to check back for next week's episode of Prepared to be Floored. Head to our website to check out more of our stencils, and don't forget to tag us on social media with your stencil art.